guys, so today mag-unbox tayo ng bagong iPhone 15 Pro Max na 1TB, grabe, coming from the 13 Pro Max 512. I think it's time for an upgrade. Let's go with a natural titanium. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go to Find It in Gadgets. And let's unbox this na. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god, grabe narinig niyo yun. So slay. Wait lang. Kumpaba na. Oh my god. Alam nyo, tunog pa lang. Grabe,
Crunchy.
unkabogable na. Di ba? Okay, ito na guys. Are you guys ready? Look, 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 look. Look. Ah. Ayun na. Oh my god.
Wow!
Tignan nyo to.
Pakita mo.
Tignan nyo yung color.
Ang ganda.
Di ba? Coming